What composite materials can CNC machine? Composite materials are advanced in engineering materials made by combining two or more different substances, offering both lightweight and high strength. Common types include carbon fiber reinforced polymer, glass fiber reinforced polymer, aramid fiber composites, ceramic matrix composites, and metal matrix composites. These materials are widely used in aerospace, automotive, medical, and consumer electronics industrials. In my production practice, CNC machines can reliably process a variety of composites, carbon fiber reinforced polymer, high strength and lightweight common in drones, cars, and aircraft components. Glass fiber reinforced polymer, cost effective, widely applied in wind energy, shipbuilding, and industrial equipment. Aramid fiber composites, impact and wear resistance, ideal for protective parts and high strength structures. Ceramic matrix composites, extremely hard wear resistance and heat resistance, used in engine parts and medical tools. Metal matrix composites combine the strength of metals with the weight reduction of composites, perfect for advanced equipment. For machining, these materials, I typically use diamond-coated tools or polycrystalline diamond tools, along with high-speed cutting and vacuum fixtures to minimize delamination, glues, and fiber pull-out. With optimized processes, parts can achieve dimensional accuracy within plus or minus 0.02 mm and surface roughness below roughness average 1.2 micrometers. Therefore, CNC machining is not limited to metals and plastics. It can also handle a wide range of composites, including ceramics, providing reliable manufacturing support for lightweight design, structural optimization, and functional integration. Whether for prototypes or batch production, CNC machining ensures the best balance between efficiency and precision.